Okay, hello everyone. This is the installation process for PoseMech, and we'll start. The first process we're going to try to start is install the requirements. So we have a checklist here, and we'll go through the checklist. Now, the first thing is to check the NVIDIA driver if it's properly installed. Now I'm going to open the terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Ctrl-Alt-T. So I'm gonna then copy and paste this command here to check it. So which is gonna be NVIDIA sim, and we can see that NVIDIA sim is properly installed, and we have the version here as well. And you can see the Conda version. So the next step is to check if the Conda driver is there. It's properly installed as well. So the next thing is I can just clear my screen by pressing Ctrl-L to clear the screen. And once I press Ctrl-L, I can run the command here, which is nvcc, then right version to see what version it is, and this is 1.6, which tallies with what we had before. So now we know that this is both are installed properly. Now the third step is to check OpenPose installation. Now first thing is to locate where the OpenPose is. In our case, we go to home page, and inside the home page we have the installation here, open. We have it here, right here as OpenPose. Now inside this space, I'm going to run a terminal. So open terminal. So once I open terminal, I want to check if everything is okay. So I'm going to press Control. I'm going to call Control-C to that command here, then paste it. And if everything is good, we should be able to see a post estimation from our camera, and which is what we can see here. And we can press Ctrl-C right here. Now, the next step is to go to the website and see the installation process for PoseMech itself. So we copy that and paste that to our website here, and this is it right here. Now we want to go with the installation process. Now this is the description of our project and what the project does. And now installation process is install OpenPose, which we already did. Install OpenSim, which probably works better with Windows, and we can see a link for that. Now we need to check for Anaconda if Conda is already part of our system. To do that, we're just going to check if that's true by using a common Conda command, which is Conda environment lists. This command lists if we have an environment, and we can see that we have an environment as it's shown right here. I'm going to copy this and put it in our checklist as well. Just in case. So now we can see that all of these are okay. Now the next process is to install the OpenMech in our environment. So the first thing is I open Ctrl-Alt-T, the terminal. Now I'm gonna first copy, paste, and create an environment for us to work in. And he asks me, do I want to proceed? Absolutely. I copy this to activate the environment, and this is the same thing as right here. Now the next is to install this. This will take a while, and we will just say Ctrl-C and Ctrl-E, and let's just wait till Jesus comes back, whoever comes back first. So let's continue. Once you have that, we can just run git clone that command, clone that, So once we have that, we go inside our workspace. Then we use pip install. Then pip install the requirements. You can see it goes like atomic bomb, which is not supposed to be. Once that is done, we're going to just run this to set up our environment. So once I do that, it set up the environment. And once we do that, now we can create the second environment that we need to use. So conda this one to be quite fast done. We now run open to we already have this part, so we don't need to do that again from that. No, this is where I'm sorry. So we already in that directory. I'll use this pip install. Copy the last one, and now we're done with the installation of the environment. Now we need to try and run demo. So we press Control. We download our model file here by clicking that, and we already have it here. And we'll click the data file, which is our demo file as well, and we have it right here already. So inside that, we can go to that. But before we do that, we're going to go to our home page, and for us to have easy access to our system, our files, we're going to open it on our favorite text file, which is VS Code. Now, for the demo, it asks us to extract. For the downloaded file, we need to extract it to the location. So for this one, it wants us to extract it inside this data. So I'm going to go inside here, and I'm going to look for where there's data here, and I'm going to extract it here. So I'm going to say, yeah, extracts home page, PoseMech. And you can see it right here. All of that. Then the next thing is we've already downloaded this one, which is right here. Then we need to create a path for it as well. So here we just need folder at where the video file is. So I'm just gonna create a folder here, new folder, and call it the subject's name. Inside that will be where I'm going to extract it. So I'm just going to say Ctrl this, extracts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now the next thing to do is go inside the folder. And inside that we need to follow check what? The demo file. So we need to run this demo file. So what's running, we need to edit some stuff. So it says edit inside the demo file. If you need to change the data part and the open pose data. So the data parts should be the locations for the camera, the video from the camera views. So we go there and go to where we just extract this, which is right here. Let's control this and paste it right here. Now we need to locate our pose part as well. Open pose part, which we already have before. Say open should be right here. Then we need right here. I'm just gonna say parts, copy, and I'm just gonna paste it right here. And that's pretty much it for this one. Now, for us to be able to run it, we need to run it either from our terminal here and just run the demo.xh, or run it from the terminal right here. I prefer to run it from this. I'm just going to write Ctrl+Shift+P, and I'm going to select the Python file I want, which is PoseMech here. So once I select that, I'm going to press Ctrl+J, and it's going to give me that. Then I'm going to go to this. It says Conda activates this, which is already here already, so I don't need to do that again. And I'm just going to run the demo.sh file, and voila. Come in, let me go get water. Did you? Have you updated the professor on the paper?
The report?
Yeah.
No, I it wrote to me yesterday. Update. I never.
I sent him an updated one, but he wants me to update it again. Since I haven't done that one though. But I was planning to do it today, tomorrow. Thursday I